Without using a calculator, evaluate -2 into bracket 5 plus 3 minus 9 divided by 3 plus 5 over -3 times -5 plus -2 times 4. So we want to apply BODMAS. So we start with the numerator. The numerator here. So the numerator is -2. 5 plus 3 minus 9 divided by 3 plus 5. So we start with BODMAS. So BODMAS is a bracket of bracket. So we start with bracket. Bracket here is a 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. So this is going to become -2 times 8 minus 9 divided by 3 plus 5. So bracket of division. Where is the division? Division is here. So we can divide -9. We can divide -9 by 3, which is giving us a -3. It is giving us -3. So we are going to have -2 times 8. -2 times 8 minus 3 plus 5. So BODMAS bracket of division, multiplication. So we go to multiplication. Multiplication is -2 times 8 is -16. -16 minus 3 here plus 5. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition. So now we go to addition here. -3 plus 5 is a +2. So this is -16 plus 2, which is giving us -14. -14. So here we can say that this is a -14 over. Now let's go to the denominator. Let us go to denominator. It is a -3 times -5 plus -2 times 4. -3 times -5 plus -2 times 4. We apply BODMAS. Bracket of division, multiplication. Where is multiplication? It is here and here. So we multiply -3 times -5 is +15. -2 times 4 is -8. So this is giving us 15 minus 8, which is equal to 7. 15 minus 8, which is equal to 7. So we can say that this is -14 divided by 7. negative 14 divided by 7, and this is giving us a negative 2. Negative 2. Evaluate 22 minus negative 14 over 6 times negative 2 minus 4 squared times negative 6 minus 12 over 72 divided by negative 8 times 3. So first of all, what we are going to do is to solve this numerator here. This numerator, we can write it as 22 minus 14 is plus 14. Plus 14. This is going to give us 36. Then we solve this one here. 6 times negative 2 is equal to negative 12. Now we can say that this is 36 here divided by negative 12 is equal to negative 3. So the whole of this one is negative 3. Negative 3. This is negative 3. Then now we can solve this other one here. This numerator here, we can write it as 4 times 4 times minus 6 minus 12. Then we apply BODMAS. BODMAS is bracket over division, multiplication. This is multiplication, this is multiplication. So we multiply 4 by 4, which is giving us 16. We multiply by negative 6 here. That is giving us a negative 96. We minus 19. We minus 12. We minus 12. So this is giving us a negative 108. Negative 108. Then we solve this denominator. 72 divided by negative 8 times 3. That is 72 divided by negative 8 times 3. We use BODMAS. to solve it. Bracket over division. So this is division. So we divide 72, we divide by negative 8, which is giving us negative 9. 72 divided by negative 8 is giving us negative 9. Then we multiply that by 3, which is giving us negative 27. Negative 27. So now this one here is giving us negative 108. The numerator is negative 108. Denominator is negative 27. So now we can say that this is giving us negative 108 over negative 27. So when we divide negative 108 by negative 27, we end up getting positive 4. Positive 4. So now that is positive 4. Now this one here has given us a negative 3. So we can say that negative 3, this side is negative 3 minus this side is a 4. This side is a 4. Negative 3 this side minus this side is a 4 minus 4, which is giving us a negative 7. Negative 7. So this is our final answer. Evaluate negative 12 divided by into bracket negative 3 times 4 minus into bracket negative 20 over negative 6 times 6 divided by 3 plus into bracket negative 6. So first of all, we deal with the numerator. We deal with the numerator, and in the numerator we have negative 12 divided by into bracket negative 3 times 4 minus into bracket negative 20. We can write the numerator here as a negative 12. Negative 12. We get rid of this bracket. We put it as negative 12 over negative 3 times 4 times 4. We get rid of this bracket here. So negative times negative 20 is positive 20. Positive 20. Negative and negative cancel one another, so we end up with here this one is going to become positive. It is 12 over 3 times 4 plus 20. So now we can use BODMAS. We can use BODMAS here. Bracket over division. This is division, so we divide 3. We divide 12 by 3. This is giving us 4. 4. So it is 4 times 4 plus 20. So BODMAS is bracket of division. We have dealt with division. Then we go to multiplication. Multiplication is here. 4 times 4 is 16. Then we add to 20, which is giving us 36. That is the numerator. Then now let us go to the denominator. Let us go to the denominator. So here is a negative 6 times 6. That is the denominator. Negative 6 times 6 divided by 3 plus into bracket negative 6. So now we can get rid of this bracket here by writing here as a negative 6 times 6 divided by 3. Positive and negative is a negative. Positive and negative is negative. That is a minus 6. Then now we apply BODMAS. We apply BODMAS bracket over division multiplication. So this is division. So division is here. So we divide 6 divided by 3 is a 2. 2. So this is a negative 6 here times 2 here minus 6 here. Bracket of division multiplication. So we go to multiplication. Multiplication is a negative 6 times 2, which is a negative 12 minus 6. So minus 12 minus 6 is giving us a negative 18. Negative 18. So we can write numerator over denominator, which is giving us a, we got our numerator to be 36. So that is 36 over negative 18, which is giving us negative 2. Negative 2. Evaluate 28 minus into bracket negative 18 over negative 2 minus 15 minus into bracket negative 2 into bracket negative 6 over 3. How can we solve this problem? First of all, we get rid of the bracket here and the bracket here. So how can we get rid of this bracket here and this bracket here? We can write it as a 28 minus times negative 18 is a positive 18, positive 18 over negative 2 minus here. Negative 2 times negative 16. Negative 2 times negative 6. Negative 2 times negative 6 is a positive 12. So we say this is a minus 15. Minus 15. Negative 2 times negative 6 is positive 12. So this is 15 minus 15. This is a 15 minus positive 12. Minus positive 12 over 3. So this is a 28 plus 18 over negative 2 minus negative and positive 12. Negative, this is negative and positive 12. Negative and positive 12 is going to give us a negative 12. So this is a 15 minus 12 over 3. So 28 plus 18 is 46 over negative 2 minus 15 minus 12 is 15 minus 12 is 3 over 3. 3 over 3. So now we can divide 46 by negative 2 is going to give us negative 23. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So this is going to give us negative 23 minus 1 is negative 2, 4. Negative 2, 4. So negative 2, 4 is going to be our final solution for this problem. Evaluate 8 divided by 2 plus 12 times 9 minus 4 times 6 over 56 divided by 7 times 2. Here we want to use BODMAS. And in using BODMAS, we start with the numerator. Numerator is 8 divided by 2 plus 12 times 9 minus 4 times 6. So BODMAS is a bracket of division. So division is here. This is division. So we start with the division. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Bracket of division, then multiplication. Multiplication is here. 12 times 9 is 108. 4 times 6 is 24. So here we have 4 plus 108 minus 24. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition. So we go to addition. This is addition here. 4 plus 108 is 112. So we remain with 112 minus 24. 112 minus 24, which is giving us 88. So in the numerator we have 88. Now what about the denominator? Denominator is 56 divided by 7 times 2. So we use BODMAS here. Bracket of division. We start with division first here. 56 divided by 7 is 8. Then we multiply by 2, which is giving us 16. So when we put a numerator over denominator, this will be 88 88 over 16. So when we divide 88 by 16, this is 8 goes here, 2 times 8 goes here, 11. 2 goes here, into 10, 5. Into 10, 5, point, into another 10, 5. So our answer is 5.5. 5.5.